Hi guys, this is Jinx. Welcome to my channel. So, I actually bought it at somewhere here and I see it's consolidating here, so I want to take profit before that. But I'm also sitting and watching. If I see a downward trend, I might try to take profit earlier. So, I'm trying to aim over here. I'm just hoping it goes that way, guys. Welcome to my channel and let's have a look what's happening today. Usually, I don't try to day trade. I usually swing trade. I look at charts over longer duration, but today I'm just looking at like a chart at a shorter time frame, and I'm hoping that goes over there. So we might make like $30 profit or something. But let's have a look, guys. But as I told you, I'm kind of enjoying trading this MXN, I think it's Mexican peso, and New Zealand dollars. I'm kind of getting a rhythm how these chart at one particular time in the day it goes really down and then it goes up. So I'm enjoying this at this moment, but let's see. Oh, is it going to make it to the green line? Maybe yes, maybe not. I'm waiting. I think it will. Um, and if it reaches, I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'm not kind of editing the videos, but I would like to show you the. It kind of looks like it could go down, but we'll keep an eye. Yeah, I want to show you my execution door. It might go down. Let's look. Yeah, I want to show you my blotter. My goal is to remain green. So if you're not sure what's happening in 5 seconds, let's go to 1 second. So that'll show you what's happening. According to me, it looks like it's going down. So it might go up. It's kind of consolidating. Where is my opposition? Let's set a stop loss. I think I'll take profit here. Okay, I close the position. Let me show you my execution blotter. So this is what is happening. I got $26. This was heading against me, so I just break even. Yeah, and this is what is happening, guys. That's it for today.